This Windermere Real Estate Whatcom, Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Cicchitti. New construction home in the Malloy Terrace New Development with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms and 2194 square feet. Open floor plan with elegant kitchen with walk-in pantry and stainless steel kitchen appliances included, granite countertops, lots of natural light. Master bedroom is huge and upstairs with large walk-in closet and large master bathroom with tiled shower, large covered back deck with view of green space. Photos are of similar house, but house is under construction. For more information, review the details below.